What's good, Kawaii gang? Welcome back to the motherfreaking channel. So this video is the long-awaited mermaid nails collab. Yes, it is, honey. We are finally doing it. And I want to say thank you to my friends, Baby Girl Nails and Nails by Mermaiden and Max Estrada for joining on this collab. This is also going to be a giveaway. Once again, for this giveaway, I'll have all the stuff like the rules and the ending date and the gifts. Everything will be listed on the blog post linked down below. So on screen, you will see the nails created by Jamie at Baby Girl Nails and Nails by Mermaiden. They both did mermaid nails. So if you guys are loving this mermaid theme, definitely check out my friends and support their channels. Follow them, subscribe, check out their Instagrams. Those are going to be part of the rules anyways, so you might as well. But let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, you guys. So, most importantly, it is the king's birthday today, June 4th. Shout out to Max Estrada. God bless you, Max. Please keep kinging. Please keep doing what you do and creating these beautiful products and being a bright, shining light. And we love you and we're just so grateful to you. Max has provided so many opportunities and he's one of the most positive, fun, and fair people I've had the pleasure of working with in this entire nail industry. That is no cap. So shout out to you, Max. We love you. I'm using the Enail Couture Eternal Beige Polygel. This is my favorite polygel. I got asked in the last video what is my favorite polygel, so I wanted to use it here. I also posted this on my Instagram Reels, but I want to take a moment to explain why. It's just really smooth. The consistency is perfect. The color is perfect. Everything about this gel, this polygel, it's perfect to me. It's very strong as well. It cures amazingly and it just works the best for me. I like the application of it. I'll post a video in the cards where I used it without mixing into it, so you can see how it works on its own. But I wanted to make my own custom color, and that's what I like about the container. You can scrape out what you need and put back the excess, which is something you cannot do with the tubes. So you have a lot more control over what you use. I like to leave the little foil on the top to shield away any dust while I'm working. So you guys just saw me mix in a bunch of glitter and some pink gel polishes to create a custom pink nail bed. So this set is going to be very wild and extravagant. You want to use a very small amount of this if you're doing it the same way as me, because it's going to be harder to cure with all of this pigment. So we're using a very small amount of this, and I'm going to create a custom nail bed inside of the 5XL square 123 Go nails from Enail. So right now there is a sale for Max's birthday. You guys do not want to miss this sale, okay? I think, let me just make sure so I don't say the wrong thing. Let me see how much is the percent off for his birthday sale. And this sale is going to be running from the 4th to the 5th. So you don't have a whole lot of time. So it's 30% off and it's for 2 days only. So yeah, don't miss out on this, because usually my code is 10% off. Sometimes other sales are like 20%, but this is a 30% off. So I just flash cured this onto my hand and a little bit squeezed out the top. Usually I'm able to flick it away, but it cured. So I just go in with my e-file and quickly file that down. I'm also gonna clean up my free edge. And there you go, that's the base of the nails. So this design is very special to me. I spent a long time on this because I wanted to go crazy. I wanted to go in and go crazy on this one. So we're gonna go ahead and fill in our tip color using this beautiful holographic blue. I got this recently in PR and it's just so gorgeous. I'm so glad I finally got to use this. We're gonna fill in our tip just like this underneath the nail. And I'm doing this haphazardly. I'm not really being careful because honestly, it's just there to provide a wash of color. You're not gonna really see all of the details of the smile line. However, it still did make a really nice smile line. So if you wanted to kind of make a nice French, you could still do it this way. Just obviously be more careful than I am. I'm gonna come back and clean up the bottom of my French tips here, clean up that pink area a little bit, but this is a really good method if you want to just do a quick French tip set. You could definitely do it this way. But yeah, most of my smile line ends up getting covered up anyway, so that's why a lot of these nail beds are like longer than others. Some are a little bit wonky. I just didn't want to waste time doing something I knew was going to get covered. So oh, by the way, I want to say thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. I didn't get a chance to say thank you to everyone individually yet, but I am so grateful to you guys. I love you guys. My community is literally the best. Like, you guys give me life. I love talking to you guys. I love hearing from you guys. I love hearing just what you have going on, like what you've done with your nails, what you've learned, what you've tried. I'm really grateful to be someone who has helped you guys on your nail journey. If I could just help one person, I feel like, okay, I've done what I needed to do here on YouTube. I don't make videos for my own personal gain. I really like helping people. It makes me feel like I'm doing something worth doing, and you guys literally give me purpose and joy. So I literally love you guys. You guys are my best gift. Also, I love that me and Max have close birthdays. We're both Geminis. Gemini gang, it's Gemini season. Where are my Geminis? I saw y'all in the last video too. I need to do a Gemini set. I'm gonna do some Gemini nails. Okay, so this is another new color I haven't shown on the channel. Well, actually I swatched it when I first got it in PR, but I haven't really used it in a set. And I just wanted to add a little bit more glitter on the nail bed, so I just put a little thin layer of that. This is a brand new product. I've never seen anyone use this yet, personally. I saw this on AliExpress. It will be linked on my blog. The first link down below in the description box. You can find that there. Very inexpensive product. So what this is basically bubblegum gel from Enel. It's the same consistency, the same type of product. You can use your fingers to put this on the nail, and we're kind of just going to stamp a design into this layer of gel. They have white, like a white, solid white version of this. They have clear, they have different colors and different types of stamps. So when you check out that link, you can see all the different options. But basically, when you go to stamp this in, you can put some chrome in the stamp, and it will just stamp that chrome right into this nail. And you don't even have to top coat it. They top coat it in the demonstration on the link on AliExpress, but technically you don't have to because the chrome is already cured into the gel. So I didn't top coat mine because I like how it looks without the top coat. It has a little bit more detail. You don't lose all those fine details of the swirls. This is so much easier to do when you don't have some nails on your hand. So if you were doing this on a client, it would come out even better. I noticed when I did it on my hand the first time, it was easier than when I had to do it with the whole set of nails on my hand. Hope that makes sense. So I just brushed the chrome into the swirls here with a little brush, and just like that, 1, 2, 3, press it in, peel it away, and that's what you get. Super fun, so pretty. You guys are gonna do amazing things with this. Please tag me because I love this. I'm gonna be using this a lot. There's so many different designs you can do. So many ideas are coming into my head with this. Like, girl, there's so much. And I just love new things. I love innovation. I love change and growth. So I'm just gonna continue trying to bring you guys all these new types of products. If you guys like stuff like this, definitely subscribe, because I'm on AliExpress all day just looking for the newest shit, and here we go. So I'm using my fingers to bring the shape of my nail back in. I don't want to have to file this, so I'm doing everything with my hands. And I love the idea of just doing your nails with your hands. Like, F brushes, okay? I had that thought last night as I was making these. I was like, yeah, who cares about technique? Who cares about being proper? As long as the final result looks good and lasts long, you did what you were supposed to do. Some people are a little bit too obsessed with the status quo of nails and how things should be done, that they kind of miss out on faster and easier, more efficient ways of doing things, because they want to like follow all the rules. You don't have to follow the rules. I'm gonna put down some pearls because this is for mermaids, so of course mermaids have pearls. There's this K-drama I found called, ooh, what was it called? Oh my gosh, something like Pearl, something like Mermaid's Pearl. It was such a pretty show. I'm gonna really try to find it. It's for free to watch on YouTube. There's a really big oh, you know what? It's a Chinese drama. It's not even a K-drama, I think. There's this really big Chinese network called Tencent that has a channel on YouTube, and they post a bunch of free Chinese dramas, and they're really, really good. Like, one of my favorite, sorry guys, people are racing by my house. I hope you didn't hear it. But yeah, one of my favorite dramas I ever watched was a Chinese drama called Empress something. Damn it, I forgot. But it was so good. There was so much drama in that show. It was amazing. So I just put on a bunch of these little bubble caviar beads. I'll have those linked too. I have already placed my charms on my thumb and my ring finger, the little mermaid charms. I'm so sorry, I don't have the clip for that. I must have forgot to click record when I was putting those on, but I used the Nail Couture Precision Gel, and I just popped them on and stuck my hand in the lamp. And here we have a Sea Life 3D nail art mold I got from AliExpress too, and I'm putting the stripper gel in hot pink inside. And you want to check the other side of this mold to make sure there's no bubbles, and then you can scrape away the excess off the top. Doesn't have to be perfect or anything because it kind of peels away really easily after curing. And I cure this 3 times, and I flip the mold around after each cure just to make sure it's getting a strong cure. I'm on day 2 of wearing these nails, and everything is literally still intact. This precision gel, this formula gummy jelly is absolutely amazing. Like, literally, it's my favorite bling gel of all times, hands down. I think it even says it on the container that it's the best bling gel in the world. Like, I love the confidence because it's so true. So we're gonna pop those out the mold and stick them on with precision gel. And I love my nails. Oh my god, I love my nails. And I want you guys to join our mermaid nails. Like, make some mermaid nails, girl. Summer is here. Summer is here. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely check the links down below so that you can enter into this giveaway. It's gonna end on the 15th, I do know that. And all the rules will be basic, like follow and like and subscribe and all that stuff. Let me know down below what you think of this set. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night. I love you guys all so much, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.